Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify mobile-first navigation patterns in React, full guide step-by-step clearly. To verify mobile-first navigation patterns in React, start by planning your application's layout. Identify and document the key navigation elements you want for both mobile and desktop views. Create a new React project using Create React App for a standard setup. Set up a main navigation component that will handle links and dropdowns. Implement responsive design principles in CSS to ensure that navigation adapts to mobile views. Use media queries to adjust the layout, font sizes, and spacing for smaller screens. Develop a mobile menu button that toggles the visibility of your navigation links. Leverage the useState hook to manage the state of the mobile menu. Add click event handlers to open and close the mobile navigation. Ensure to test navigation behavior on smaller screens using the browser's developer tools. Simulate different device sizes to see how your navigation responds. Check for accessibility issues by ensuring proper ARIA attributes in your mobile navigation. Test the tab order and keyboard navigation to make sure all elements are reachable. Once the navigation is functional, focus on performance optimizations. Use React's lazy loading capabilities for any additional components needed in the navigation. Review the overall user experience to ensure that the mobile-first design is intuitive and easy to use. Gather user feedback to identify any navigation pain points. Adjust your design based on the collected feedback to enhance usability. Lastly, document your findings and improvements for future reference and development. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.